Sup?
Sup?
Uptown Swing.
Level 2.
Charleston.
Maddie.
Brian.
Today we finished up the month. We got in and out of hand-to-hand.
Yeah. We got into it from kickaways, kick and rock step, double kick, double kick. We used the same exit, kick and rock step, back to kickaways. Hey, hey, bam.
Followers, our job is to just not freak out. Our footwork stays the same. It should feel like a regular hand-to-hand or kick-away either way. Then,
We did some 20s Charleston.
20s Charleston. We got in and out of it.
A rock step, hey, touch, step. We said you can add the twisties. Hey, you can change the handhold. Hey, get that hand going, counter, body. Yeah, boom. Hey, ha, hey. And then to get out of it, it's like the end of a yo-yo.
If you want to learn how to do those twisties, look up any of the solo jazz videos where Val does Charleston boot camp. She goes over it in great detail. Figure it out on your own time. You did great.